Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this video, I'm going to tell you about HTML structure. So before that, I just want to tell you that before we made a website tutorial, before we made a website using HTML, before we learn more about HTML, we have to download some software, a software that will help you to learn it. So the first, you can open your browser and then search Visual Studio Code. This one. This, you can click this link and then you will go to the website. And when you are open the website, there is this download. If you use Windows, maybe the text will be download for Windows, but because I use Mac OS here, so the text become download for Mac OS. And you can just click download and it will automatically download. After that, you can install and open the Visual Studio Code. So when you open the Visual Studio Code, the first window that you will see is like this. So before we learn more about the HTML structure, we have to download some extension that will help you to learn the HTML. Okay, here. The first, you can download this extension. This is Live Preview. So the first, you need to download Live Preview to preview your website later. And then the second one, you can you can download Prettier Code Formatter. You can download this two extension to help you to learn more about the HTML. Okay, next, after that, you can go to the Explorer here, the first icon, and you can open folder. Open folder. Here you can make a new folder. For example, here I would like to make here tutorial, and I would like to make HTML structure. Yes, and then just open it. Okay, after you open, you will get like this one, blank like this, and you can click this one, the logo that show new file. Just click it, and then make a new folder with index, and the format is HTML. So index.html. Why we use .html here? This function is to make your browser know that the file is an HTML file, like this one. Okay. Next, what is the HTML structure? So when you double click this, like this, when you double click or when you click it, you will automatically open the new tab that is index.html, this file. And you can make this shift 1, okay, to make this one. And there's mf, you can click the number 1 and then enter. This is the HTML structure. So in the HTML structure, you can see doc type, HTML lang, head, and then title, and body, and other. So the first, let me tell you about the HTML doc type. As I said before, the doc type is the function of the doc type to make your browser know that this file is an HTML file. Okay. Next, this you can see here there is title. Okay, title. You can make the title. What is the function? Yeah. As I said before, that we have already download an extension that is live preview. So you can see here there's a icon show preview. So this is the function of the extension live preview. Okay. Next, here you can you can change the title, become maybe my first HTML, my HTML, like this. And when you when you click it, and you can see here the name of the tab become my first HTML. Or you can change again, hello, I'm learning HTML. here you can see there is learning HTML. So the title function is to change the title of the tab like this one. Okay, next here we are going to learn about how to make a header. Okay, first you can just type h1 like this, h1 meaning heading 1. So when you click enter, it will automatically like this, and you can typing some words inside the h1 like hello world like this. And for heading, you in the HTML has 6 heading. The first is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. Let's we try what's the difference. You can type h2 and then type some word, and then h3 and then type some word again, h4 hello world, and the slash h5 hello world. And the last one is h6. As I tell you before, HTML has 6 heading. So this is the difference. Look, the H1 heading is the biggest heading in the HTML. So if you use H2, it will become smaller. H3, H4, H5, and H6. So the bigger number you give, the smaller the text become. So after that, here we already learned about the heading in the HTML. Here you can just enter and you make new paragraph. And also HTML have a paragraph, so you can just type P and then enter, and you can type lorem and enter. So this is the paragraph of the HTML. Here's the paragraph. And if you see that the text is too long like this one, so this is the perfect time we use the second extension, that is right here. So you can use Alt or Option Shift F, and it will directly tidying up your code like this one. So right now we already learned about the HTML basic. So maybe that's all the tutorial that I can show to you. I'm sorry for my mistake. And let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.